What is going on, traders? John with Tactical Trading here with our OTC Saturday video. Today we will be covering 3 plays, all of which we have covered on the channel before. We are going to start right now with probably my favorite play right now, with the momentum it has, everything that it has going on for it, and that is AXXA Group, AXXA. Closed on Friday, had a very strong day on Friday, closed at 3.5 cents, up 28.5%. Again, this is a pink current company. If we look here at the share structure, we have about a $16 million market cap, and considering with the deals that they have and things that they have going forward, this is absolutely minuscule in my opinion, but we really don't, have to look at that. Look at the share structure, authorized shares of 680 million, 550 on the unrestricted. If we take a look here, and if you do want a little bit of a video, go to my YouTube channel here and check out the AXXA video, about an 18-minute video, briefly going over why I think this company has a bright future for 2022. And if we look here on their Twitter page, they came out with a tweet on Friday, AXXA next week key updates. And it's going to be details on AXXA's $100 million real estate portfolio, overview of the physical and digital real estate deals, a PowerPoint including the METAVERSE initiative, progress updates on the 1 Mile crypto exchange, and news on other AXXA's breakthrough in sustainable energy, which that I don't really have an idea what they're talking about there. So that's interesting to see. What they got going there. So definitely very excited about this one. And if you want also some more information, go over to Insider Financial. They have a video today briefly going over AXXA, some other good companies we talked about, OWUV, UAMM, some good companies, iGen. I haven't played this or covered this, so I do want to definitely get into that one. But we're covering AXXA now. This is the one I'm really excited about. And they said that they will have a detailed report on AXXA coming up. So go sign up with these guys at insiderfinancial.com, and that is insiderfinancial.com. They always have some good information. Alex over there does a great job. So definitely want to shine a light on some of these guys doing a good job in the OTC, and definitely excited that we're getting more coverage on AXXA. With this share structure, this thing can really get to moving. So definitely one that I'm very excited about going forward. That's AXXA. Next, we will be covering probably my #1 play going into 2022, long term, right there with ILS. Obviously ILS is my #1 play, my #1 long, but right here these guys are slowly becoming one of my favorites, and that is FERN Corporation, FERN. These guys have been beaten up since the news of the acquisition of Main Block, down to 0.0245, down 5% on Friday on 13.5 million volume. If we take a look at the chart here, obviously we've been on these guys since way back in the spring, and right now I think it's hard to tell. Will we test these twos again, being that we have 3 days of weakness? It's hard to say. They did come out with their roadmap, and that is on their news. So, for a long term, I really like these guys. Do I think it's going to come down a little more next week? I'm not sure. It's hard to say, but anything in this range from 2 to 2.5 is an absolute steal in my opinion. And I would go over to their press release here, talking about the release of their new user interface for Main Block, build support for additional digital asset classes, hire a UK director of sales, expand infrastructure, hire more production and support staff, integrate and connect with several new digital asset venues, launch new analytics tools and data services, onboard several new institutional clients and on a global basis. That is big right there. You can read this and go over this as well too. And again, FERN, you can see one of the ones I'm very excited about. We got a video on FERN as well too on the channel, 25 minutes long, going over the facts on what the company's done over the last year. My opinion of what they are gonna, what they're gonna do in the future, and what obviously what the company says, going over some of the things that through press releases. Same thing with AXXA. So these are two that I'm really excited about. You know, let's see here. So AXXA and FERN, definitely two I'm very excited about. I implore you to check out the PR and go through it. Last stock is AAPT, All American Pet Company, or Cora. Really like these guys. Missed that dip below a penny. I am sick to my stomach about it. Oh man, I'm sick to my stomach. I mean, that dip to 89 was an absolute steal. On the channel, I've been telling you guys, keep an eye on this thing. I don't know where the bottom is, but when this thing bottoms, it's going to snap back and rebound. These guys have catalysts galore. They have a share reduction, rebranding, ticker change, symbol change, financials coming out. They're growing quickly. I mean, not much to say. The only thing negative I can say about it is it's a Chinese company. With this political drama, Olympics, this and that, there could be a kind of a target on some of these companies that actually produce their income in China. But this is actually a software company, so they're globally. So, but I still really like these guys at a little over a penny and a half. I mean, these guys were trading at 3.6 about a month and a half ago. In fact, we can go to the chart. And you can see on anticipation of the merger, I mean, this thing just ripped and hit highs of 365, pulled back, and then this is right here in late September where we got that merger news. This thing popped up and ran right back up to the 350 area and then was absolutely crushed. Had some traders in there dumping shares, nothing you can do about that. You can say, you can't say anything. When someone owns the shares, they can do whatever they want with them. So this got heavily dumped right here, and you can see it's starting to try to recover, but then then the market conditions turn south. So this is basically a victim of market conditions, and just like JPEX and some of these other companies, I think come mid-2022, they're going to be worth a lot more than what they are right now. And right now, AAPT, I could see this thing easily 5-6 cents come mid-2022. So this is definitely a nice longer-term play. So, I'm going to keep it short and sweet today. The three plays, AXXA, FERN, AAPT. We're going to start coming out with a lot more videos on the channel. I want to get more active on YouTube opposed to being active on Twitter. I'm not a big fan of Twitter. So, like I said, I was going to kind of peel back. I have kind of pulled back a little bit on Twitter, but I'm going to start putting out more content here on YouTube. So that's all I got for you today. As always, please like, please share, please subscribe. Any comments or questions, please put them in the comment section below. And as always, traders, let's get that money.